Hey, Awesome Franklin agents. This is Jacob Seeley, your tech director. I'm making this quick video to show you how to create a landing page for a listing. So we'll start at the command dashboard and we're going to go down to the consumer tab. From the consumer tab, you'll see a couple options. This tab is for all things consumer facing, including your agent site page, landing pages that you may have created, or even like your guide builder inside your app. So we're going to go ahead and create a landing page. So we'll click create a new site, and then we're going to come down to as a standalone page. We're going to select that and create. So from here, you're going to see a blank template, and then to the right, you're going to see widget options. So we're going to fill out this template with widgets. So let's first grab the branded header. As you can see, all this is pre-populated with my market profile information, even down to our team logo. So if you need to go ahead and fill in your market profile info, go ahead and pause the video, do that now, and then come back when it's done so that you can go ahead and follow along with us. Next, we're going to include a lead form because I want to capture lead information with this landing page. Now, once the information is entered here, it will go directly into your contact database. So it's going to eliminate having to export files, and then re-import files or write something down and then type it back in again later. We're trying to eliminate, extra steps by creating this. So then we're going to pull in a listing widget here. And the widget is a general widget, and we'll be able to customize that here in a moment. And then finally, we'll pull in a legal footer at the bottom. Once that's completed, we're going to go to the bottom of the widget chooser and click configure widgets. And then we're going to have a checklist here. And the items that are grayed out, that don't have the green check mark, are items that need to be adjusted. So let's go into the branded header. And I'm going to say, welcome to 123 Property. And that's where I'll usually put the address of the open house that I'm doing, whether it's our own or whether it's for another agent. And then we'll go to save and apply. And you can see it populated. And we'll go to the next widget. And the only thing to change here is the message. So I'm going to say, thank you for attending. Register below. And we'll save and apply that. So in the event that they are filling this out on their own, they can do that. They've got clear instructions. Next, we'll go to the listing selected, and then you can search property address, MLS number, or KWLS ID. I'm just going to choose one of these listings here. And as you can see, it's going to use this photo, or whichever photo it is that you choose, and then it's going to have the other photos available to cycle through, and you'll see that in just a moment. And then the next item is going to be the legal footer, and you want to make sure and check in with your broker to make sure that all of the information is correct on there so that you are compliant with Tennessee real estate law. So we'll save and apply there. And then once you're done, you can either save it as a landing page or you can publish the page directly. If you publish it directly, it's going to go ahead and save it for you. But if you're not done with it, or there's maybe something that you want someone to see or you want to tweak it, you can always save it as a landing page. And also, I didn't mention this at the beginning, but you can name it as whatever you would like it to be. So it's just going to be a test for me, and then I'll show you what happens if you just save it. So I want to save this as a draft, and so you can see I've got a test here, and then in order for me to then publish it, I've got to edit it. So you go back in, and then I've got the option to publish the page. So this page is about to be visible to others. So I checked it. Now this is a live link, a live website, and you can visit it. And there it is. And then here's the photo carousel of the listing images that I was telling you about. It's got the details of the listing, where it is, and then your legal footer. So I hope that was helpful. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. You know where I am and how to reach me. Thanks.